Make a bocce set. Bocce is a famous yard sport. It is similar to bowling and is played using 9 balls. One is small in size, pallino, and the remaining 8 are large, point balls. Because of the sport's popularity, there are plenty of stores that sell bocce balls. But because bocce ball set is somewhat expensive, it is more practical if you make your own. Fortunately, making a bocce set is a doable DIY project. This how-to article will teach you how. Choose your ball material. Bocce balls are usually made of wood, although hard plastic is the acceptable material in professional bocce events. In any case, you can have your bocce balls in the material that is more comfortable for you to use. If you want to make wooden bocce balls, prepare 8 blocks of wood that are about 6x6x6 in size and another block that measures around 2x2x2. If you want plastic bocce, you can choose to buy pre-made resin balls. These balls are similar to pool or bowling balls. Shape the blocks of wood. If you prefer to make your own wooden bocce balls, you need to use a jigsaw and a lathe to form a round shape out of the blocks of wood. Remember that the larger balls should have a diameter of around 80 to 115 millimeters, although you can also adapt the international standard size, which is 107 millimeters. In any case, you need to consider the physical ability of the intended players when deciding on the ball's size. You want them to be able to easily hold and control the balls. The pallino ball, on the other hand, should have a diameter of 40 to 60 millimeters. You should shape them in the same way you shape the other balls. After shaping the balls, remember to thoroughly sand them to smooth out the rough surface. Decide on the color. Your bocce balls should be painted whether you have wooden or plastic balls. You should use 2 colors for the larger balls, 1 color for a set of 4. The traditional colors are green and red, but you can choose any color you want. There are some sets, however, that make use of 4 colors, 1 color for a pair of balls. If you intend to play doubles, having 4 colors is a practical idea. The pallino ball, on the other hand, should be in a different color than the larger balls. Traditionally, pallino is painted in yellow. At any rate, choose paint types that will adhere well to your choice of material. In other words, if you decide to make wooden bocce balls, choose a wood paint. If your balls are made of plastic, choose a paint specifically designed for plastic. Pick a bag. Your homemade bocce set should come with a carrying bag. This should be roomy enough for all the bocce balls. Prepare a piece of cloth too, which you should use to wipe dust off the balls. Make sure that your bocce balls are constructed with balance and good throw in mind. Although your homemade bocce set might be somewhat inferior to the expensive commercial bocce set, it will help you get familiar with the game and have a fun time playing with your family or friends.